It's day number 15 of the 30-day Shiba challenge, the 30-day buying challenge for Shiba. Day 15 is starting right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's buy Shiba right now. Now, we're going to add the numbers right to the captain spreadsheet of the 30-day Shiba challenge area. So let's go ahead and buy this Shiba right now. So we're on Coinbase.com. If you don't have Coinbase.com, click on the link below, sign up as a free account, and you can buy Shiba and other assets as well. But all you do is go to trade. You can type in Shiba right here. Very simple and very easy. And it pops up. So many ways how you can get to Shiba. And then I click on buy and sell at the top. You can do that too as well. And today we're going to buy $50 worth today. Can buy $50 worth today of Shiba. Preview the buy. And what happens is we've got 1.6 million Shiba that we bought right now. Click on buy now. And then we'll go over to our captain spreadsheet. We'll get ready to insert these numbers right here. And then go back here. It should say view transaction. Click on view transaction. And then what happens is we're going to take the numbers from the transaction that we just did and add them in the captain spreadsheet. So here is the number there. Click on copy, paste it right here, 1.6 million Shiba. And we're going to go ahead and go back here because I want to take the price. I need to get the price of Shiba. And we'll take the price right here. Copy that. And we're also going to do the transaction. Let me go back here. So I need to get the price of SHIB. I don't think that worked out okay. I don't think that worked out pretty well. Hold on here. Well, I'll get to that later. Hold on. Let me get $48 of SHIB. So $48.01. And then the fees is going to be $1.99. And we need to get the price of SHIB. The overview. Let me see if that works. It didn't work out too well. All right, what we could do is go to CoinMarketCap and get the here we go. CoinMarketCap, get the Shiba price, just like you just saw there. Add it in the captain spreadsheet, give it something close to identify. Copy this, or actually format the information. Make sure it goes there, and voila. We got $50 worth of a transaction, which is $48.01 of Shiba, 1.6 million of the day, October 22nd, on a Friday, and we had 26 million Shiba. We're almost done with the challenge here, so we're so excited to go and continue buying Shiba every day. $759.68 worth of Shiba amount that we purchased. $32.32 is the fees from Coinbase.com. And total pay is $792. Now, after we do this transaction, we go and tweet about this, and we say day 15 of 30 Shiba buying challenge complete. Who's with me? And we do have one person here that he's usually following the secret man. The secret man is usually following this process. So this is in the book. We'll be back. October 23rd, and we'll be ready to add it into the captain spreadsheet. And we'll be ready to update this. Will be day number 16. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And we'll be back tomorrow, October 23rd, day number 16.